In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your toilet handle even when it's broke on the inside. I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. So this toilet handle was broken. It's actually snapped off right here. You can see that it was snapped off, and part of it is actually in the water. So we're going to use this product right here, the toilet tank lever, to fix it. And one of the things I need to tell you is that you want to get a toilet lever that's pretty much the same color as the current lever that you have. So this is the lever that I bought. I made sure that it matched the current lever. So let's get this installed. This is what it looks like. And it's a nice lever that you can actually twist this part to fit into your bowl, however you need it to fit. And you can also push down on the blue part to pull it in case it's too long and it snaps right here. So you would just pull that and you can push it back in. So our lever goes like this. And another thing is, to take it off, all you have to do is just pull it straight out. Oop. Let me get that. So the next thing we have to do is take off the old lever. And something you should know is that to take it off on the inside of your toilet, you want to screw it clockwise to take it off. So we just took off the old lever and we screw it counterclockwise to make sure that it's back on. See, it's counterclockwise. All right, so this is the old part that actually came off this lever. I think it was on this way, like here. This is the part that broke off and the wiring was on here. Here are the parts for the new one. Take it off by going clockwise to take off the screw. Put it in. So right here, this goes. So you want the flat part to come back on, and you go counterclockwise to tighten it. And I'm pushing in so that it's tight, but you don't want to over tighten it. We're gonna have this go in and we're gonna turn it kind of at a 45-degree angle for this toilet. We're gonna push it straight in. And we're going to connect the lever so that this works like that. But I'm going to push it this way so that there's room right here for it to go up and down. Oh, that might be too high. Or is it too high? You can pull this out of the water. And connect this. Put this back in right here. Now, this has been a 5-minute handyman DIY fix. If you need more easy toilet fixes like this one so you don't have to spend extra money on DIY projects, check out these videos. And remember, you can DIY too. And I'll see you in the next video.